Hello everybody, I hope you're doing well. Today's video is about Honda Civic 2012 1.8 petrol, where the car was heavily misfiring. Like when you try to rev it, it was very slowly, the RPM was going up. This RPM was going very crawling, like a lot of misfire was coming. So we did a diagnostic test on it and it was coming up cylinder 1 misfire permanent, and also it was showing this one rear wheel speed sensor ABS light was on as well in this car, which is no longer there anymore. I think this light came on because of the misfire on the engine. So what we have done, we replaced the spark plugs and I'm going to show you. So to replace the spark plugs, you need a 16 mm, I don't know if you can see here, 16 mm spark plug socket. So we remove these bolts, and once you remove it, then you is a 9 mm, I think 9 or 10 mm, this bolts here, you remove it and then you have the spark plugs. I'll show you the condition of a spark plug. We took it out. So that was a cylinder 1 which was giving problem, but all 4 of them was in a very poor condition. So we replaced all of them, and after replacing all 4 of them, the car sounds brilliant and the RPM has full power. So see it's full and it's very sharp. So yeah, that problem has been successfully sorted. So I hope if you guys have the same problem with the same fault code, please check your spark plug. Hopefully it's dirty, and once you replace it, that will be sorted. So thanks for watching the video. I hope this video helped you guys out. Please like and subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching.